Hi guys, it's Bria and Macon with Macon Moments, and this is our new series, Project Therapy. So on this new series, we're just going to zone out and use creativity to just come down and relax and tune out everything, tune out the world. So on this episode, we are making a centerpiece for Easter and something just really nice for your dinner table. However, it can be for brunch, lunch, dinner, with your friends and family. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I got it's kind of like a wire reef skeleton, I guess you would call it, and some rope, both courtesy of the Dollar Tree, although now I guess we have to call it the $1.25 tree because everything has gone up, all prices are going up. It's crazy. Another reason to zone out and just relax and do things yourself if you can. So you're just going to take the rope and super glue it down and just tie it really, really tightly. Be careful not to burn your fingers with the super glue, which I've done numerous times. It doesn't feel great, so definitely be careful with that. And you're just going to keep tying it around, take off the plastic ends, and just make sure it's secure. You have to hold it a few seconds until the glue dries. I think I might have used about maybe about 7 of the ropes from them in order to fill the entire wreath, the wire. But you know, just depending on the size that you're doing, you might need more or less. So here I am. I've actually changed clothes because I had to stop what I was doing. As a mom, you moms get it. You never have a moment to yourself, a real moment. It's always something. So I had to come back to it, but that's okay. That's life. So I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree as well. And all you're gonna do is just remove the flowers from the stem itself. You'll remove the leaves as well. Just use everything you can. And you're just gonna glue it with your super glue down onto the rope. Sometimes I like to place it in different places before I commit with the glue. But just play around with it wherever you want to do. There's no right or wrong to this. Just, you know, make sure that the glue is secure. Hold it down a few seconds. And, you know, this is the type of flower that I use. But of course, colors and variations of flowers will vary depending on your taste and how you want it to look. But again, just kind of mess around with it. Just some extra little pieces that I decided to add as well. But whatever you want to do, just be fun with it. I like to use the kind of like pastels and light colors for Easter. I just think it's really pretty. And the blues and yellows, it's just 2 of my favorite colors. So what you're gonna do is just, if you decide to use butterflies, you don't have to, but if you do, just remove the little metal, I guess it's kind of a hook on the back of it, because you don't need that. You can toss it and just glue it down where you want to. Use as many as you like, as little as you like. These are little bunnies, little grass bunnies that I got from Target. And I believe it was 2 for $3, so about $1.50 each. And I just thought they were really cute, really sweet. Just something fun to add to my project as well. But again, whatever, when you're out shopping, when you're out looking around, if you see something that you might want to incorporate into this project or a future project, then go ahead and, you know, feel free, just have fun with it. I like to do that. I have a supply closet. When I'm out and about, if I see something cute that's, you know, inexpensive, I'm like, I could use this for something. So I just, you know, buy that and put it in the supply closet. And when I have a little time, I pull those things out and I just get creative. So here I am adding some speckled eggs that I got from the $1.25 tree as well. I just thought that they were really cute.
Purchase your tracks today.
You can see I've changed again because you never have a moment. And I've placed the candle holder that I will be using with this project, kind of just to give me a little inspiration of how it's going to look. So yeah, these are birds that I got from the $1.25 tree again, and you're just going to remove the metal clip if you do decide to use that, and just super glue it down wherever you feel that you would like. And here are some dragonflies that I thought were really cute, again from the $1.25 tree. And they have little metal, I don't know, hooks on the back of it that you'll have to remove as well. But as much as you can do, like as many things as you can add, textures, tones, colors, just make it really visually interesting. And just have fun with it. It doesn't have to look like how I'm doing it. It's just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do. So here's the finished project. I just think it's really sweet, really nice. I put a runner on the table, some Eiffel Tower candle holders because I love Paris. And there's my little $1.25 tree candle holder and candle, and we just put that right around it, and it just adds like a really, really pretty centerpiece to your next brunch, lunch, and dinner, and it'll definitely give your friends and family something to talk about.
Be sure to check out our website, maconmoments.com, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest for more tips and inspiration to make all of your moments, both big and small, memorable.